Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can easily download or how you can make a clip on Mixer. That's a better wording. So what you want to do is just write in Google how it's called, neatclip.com, find it, and let's say that I have Ninja here, or if you have Shroud, or I think if you're gonna watch this video in a half year, you are going to have like a dog here or someone, who knows. And let's say that I'm going to open Ninja. Okay. And let's try to take his link. Let's pause the video now. I mean, it's still playing when I press the pause. Okay, it's fetching the clip. Okay, and it's still going. It's still going. It's never stopping. Still going. Okay. And now what you want to do, and this is the same as on Twitch. Your clip is mostly ready. You can set up the how long you want to have this Twitch clip. Let's say like here. It's the same as on Twitch. And now what you want to do is when you have it, just press finish and it's going to upload. I don't know how much storage they have, but maybe they are fine. So this is how we can create clip on Mixer. But what I heard, they are implementing their own clips on the platform, because right now it's kind of, I don't want to say lame, but you know how I mean that. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll really thank you for that. And that's kind of it. Thank you and goodbye.